Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of stretching. Now, strains and sprains and tears are the most common type of workplace injuries every year. Outside of work, many people receive sprain and strain injuries while exercising, working on a project, or taking part in a hobby. These injuries can affect you for long periods of time once they occur, and they also can be re-injured very easily. There are many safe work practices to avoid strains and sprains, such as eliminating manual handling of objects or using the buddy system to complete a lift. Research has shown that elimination and engineering controls are the best way to eliminate the hazards that cause strains and sprains on the job. Stretching is often considered a safeguard in preventing sprain and strain injuries on the job, but it should not be the primary safeguard in preventing injuries. So, there are a few benefits of stretching according to the Mayo Clinic. They think that to help decrease the chance of activity-based injuries that you should stretch. Also, it can help your flexibility, which improves your range of motion for your joints. Improved flexibility also allows your muscles to work most effectively. While stretching is supposed to have benefits, there are some other pieces of research that debate whether it truly reduces workplace injuries. Some experts state that it has no real effect on preventing injuries. While there's research that supports both sides, none of the research states that stretching before a job task will increase your chance of injury during the task. However, there are some precautions that you should take in order to avoid injury. So, what are some of the safety tips for stretching? Well, if you do choose to stretch, do so safely. It's not advisable to stretch a cold muscle. Dr. Nicholas Danubile, an orthopedic surgeon at the Hospital of the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia, advises to warm up with aerobic activity before jumping into stretching exercises. You, for example, should not feel pain when you are stretching. If you feel pain, it probably means you're pushing your body too far. The National Academy of Sports Medicine advises moving into the stretch position until the first point of tension is felt in the muscle and hold it for about 30 seconds to get the most benefit from a stretch. So, seek advice from your doctor if you want to begin a stretching routine, especially if it's for a muscle group that experienced a previous injury. That concludes our discussion of the merits and possible demerits of stretching. Search it out for yourself. Hopefully you will find enough information to tell you which direction you should go if you decide to continue with the idea of stretching before work.